Mr. Young Greatness, yeah. Look, I'm back to planting these seeds. It's a lot on my plate, but these young greats, man, they so stuck in the weeds. Last year I was just trying to believe. Now I'm looking at my team and they thinking it's way more than a dream. Yeah, pregnant with purpose, know it left me hurting. Wondering if God left me alone with the serpent. Like all these contractions had me to question the surgeon. But God told me I could birth it, even though I see the enemy lurking. Yeah, I told him Roger that. He told me move in his name because the game needn't change like a laundromat. Few times they probably get $1 back. Yeah, I've been around the track, no this ain't no holla bag, girl. I'm seeing different than I ever seen it. Was in a drought, but now I'm evergreening. But I ain't out here battling on my own. I told Coop to lace him up, get back on D, and now we double teaming. Yeah, this two-man game go Hall of Fame. I'm just praying that they witness the king, just like I'm James. I'm just praying they don't shatter to pieces enduring pain. Cause I'd rather they keep walking with God than walking shame. He gon' cover when it rains, yeah. God got me healed, no Advil. Now they see me doing numbers, they like, ain't he from Madville? Yeah, then they see me out and say they recognize me from their screen. And now my team sitting asking how that feel. For real. Yeah. And I'm just hoping that they stay ready.
Listen, look, I've been itching for a chance just to prove myself. A youngin', so I need to introduce myself. Before I leave the game, like 2 times 12, I talk smack like it's URL. They type back with their questions like they searching in a URL. My pen's sick, it's about to HURL. I'm the Justin story like the new Montel. Reporting live, I'm the news myself. Switch it up. Look, I was all up in the cut, but I'm not a surgeon. Poured a cup of Sprite, it was not a dirty one. The only piece she pushes Proverbs 31. Had to shoot my shot twice, but I made a birdie putt. She like, hey mister, pop a lister. All my friends said you bout to pop like a blister. Every day I'm picking up my cross, got splinters. He's going for distance, not sprinters. Cold as dark winters. I can't live my life day drinking on benders. Rather spend my time daydreaming on scriptures. Gotta be myself when I enter. You ain't gotta be pretentious in a room of pretenders. Cause God said I'm a trooper made in Yeshua's image. Forget a breath of fresh air, Cooper's eucalyptus. If you was Milli Vanilli, not even eucalyptus. Don Tolliver, I take him to the moon with this. Don, go and tell him how we cooking in the room with this. Breadcrumb trails, when we finish they gon' Roomba this. Man, but we just point him to the tomb with this. Tell him we some born again hooligans, HP6.